Hey there, Josh here from Limble CMS, and in this video we'll be talking about hotel maintenance management. And if you enjoy our videos, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button below so you can get updated on everything maintenance as we come out with it. And that way you can always have the best updates on how to streamline your facility. Now let's go ahead and jump into the subject. So one of the first things to know is that maintenance management is one of the key operational drivers in the hospitality industry. You'll never hear someone say, yeah, the AC was leaking, the toilet wouldn't flush, and the sheets were dirty. But other than that, it was a great hotel. That just simply never happens. There are a lot of different things that impact guest experience, and technical problems that affect the quality of stay are not something most people can overlook. But the majority of those issues can be prevented with a proper approach to hotel maintenance management. So let's go ahead and dive in to get a better understanding of what that looks like. So what is the scope of hotel maintenance management? So hotel maintenance encompasses all maintenance actions that are taken in order to maintain and repair all systems, components, and equipment that are part of a hotel property. And the exact scope of maintenance work varies a lot from one hotel to another, and it's based on the size of the property and range of services it offers. Hotel maintenance can be looked at as one type of building maintenance that places extra focus on issues that concern hotel guests. In other words, it puts more emphasis on things like plumbing, HVAC, lighting, and visual representation of the entire establishment. To get a better idea, here are some of the properties that leverage hotel maintenance. So hotel maintenance can be applied to pretty much any type of property that has some form of lodging and guest accommodation. That includes hotels, motels, or hostels, guest houses or vacation rentals. You can think of Airbnbs, and recreation centers, rehabilitation centers, and resorts. And other establishments that don't have lodging as its core business service but offer some sort of guest accommodation also need to leverage hotel maintenance. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the common hotel maintenance duties. While the exact range of maintenance activities varies based on the type of facility we are looking at, the core range of duties generally stays the same across the hotel industry. That includes maintaining major building systems. This means the plumbing system, electrical infrastructure, the lighting, and the HVAC systems. And then we have housekeeping tasks. So cleaning rooms and hotel public areas, laundry, restocking guest room amenities, and reporting problems to the maintenance team. And we have specialized maintenance work, which might include upkeep of an elevator system or services on refrigeration units. And we have maintaining technical equipment. This means phone lines, TVs, Wi-Fi systems, and computer equipment. And of course, maintaining room interiors. So making sure all the room furnishings are in good condition, carpentry is clean, and the wallpapers are not damaged. And the last one here is maintaining the building exteriors and landscapes. For example, your resort may have a golf course that you need to take care of. Since there are many areas to cover and specialized work that needs to be done, a well-rounded hotel maintenance and housekeeping team is absolutely key, because again, you may be taking care of everything from hotel rooms to an entire golf course. Now let's dive into the importance of hotel maintenance. So poor hotel maintenance directly correlates with decreased profits for hotel owners in more ways than one. So first of all, broken systems lead to bad reviews, which leads to fewer people that want to stay at the establishment, which lowers revenue. Reviews and ratings have a major correlation with occupancy rate in the hospitality industry. And the second issue is that it is again tied to occupancy rate. However, in this scenario, hotel rooms are empty not because of the low number of interested customers, but because of technical issues that prevent them from being used. This can be something like an electrical problem that poses a safety risk, a plumbing issue that's resulted from flooding, a broken key system, and so on and so forth. And of course, every night that a room is unavailable, there's a potential loss in revenue. And another way that poor maintenance management affects revenue revolves around reactive maintenance costs. If you have an unexpected issue that requires immediate service, that tends to be more expensive than having performed preventive maintenance. And since the maintenance budget is a part of the hotel's operational budget, high costs increase operational budget and end up eating into the profit margins. That's why it's important to have a well-structured hotel maintenance strategy supported by the right maintenance software. And here are a few ways you can improve hotel maintenance. So staying on top of hotel maintenance tasks with a limited budget takes quite a bit of optimization. Some of the ways to make this happen include implementing mobile maintenance software, staying diligent and proactive with maintenance, and coordinating housekeeping and maintenance teams, as well as controlling maintenance costs and maintenance data. And let's take a look at each one of these in more detail. First, we have here implementing mobile maintenance software. You simply can't be optimized, cost-effective with your maintenance workflow without the support of a mobile maintenance software. Of course, you can optimize this process up to a point without it, but mobile CMS system saves you so much time and offers so much data to help optimize your system that it's not even a close contest. A modern CMS like Limble CMS offers the ability to use a maintenance calendar to schedule everything from heavy-duty maintenance work to simple routine maintenance tasks, all in a way that takes into account available resources and when the work will be minimally intrusive to all the guests. And also enables you to track performed maintenance work by checking whether the work was performed on time, who is responsible for what, and how much reactive versus preventive maintenance you are doing, and more. And also helps you manage your inventory and track how many spare parts you use on a monthly basis. And also helps you optimize your overall maintenance workflow with instant access to asset logs and the ability to create maintenance checklists. Maintenance technicians need less time to carry out assigned work, be that a simple preventive maintenance task or handling a maintenance emergency. And of course, with all this, you can make informed improvements. A good CMS tracks all the data about assets and how your maintenance team is performing. All that data can be used to generate a variety of useful reports and spot potential bottlenecks. And you can use it to bring to stakeholder meetings so you can make faster decisions more effectively. And the next part here is it helps you stay diligent with proactive maintenance. As I mentioned earlier, it is in the interest of every hotel manager to keep asset breakdowns to a minimum. And this simply can't be done without a strong focus on preventive maintenance. As obvious as it may seem, we still see so many businesses trying to get by, waiting for things to break down and then sending in maintenance tech. With so many maintenance solutions available, there's little excuse to remain stuck in the reactive maintenance mindset. Those $200 or $300 a month you will spend on a CMS for a small maintenance team is nothing compared to the cost savings you achieve through workflow optimizations and revenue increases that come with a stronger brand image. And remember that being proactive is a staple in any good maintenance program. And another important part here is that it helps you coordinate housekeeping and maintenance teams. To make life easier, hotel managers should ensure that the housekeeping and maintenance teams have a clear line of communication. The same goes for the reception. Why? Because if guests have any problems, they will either complain to the front desk or to the housekeeping team. Hotel managers must ensure that these issues are quickly relayed to the maintenance team. One way to do that is to use a maintenance software that has a simple work request portal that any hotel employee can use to submit maintenance requests. In addition to that, you can have your whole team connect on many of the available communication apps so they can easily discuss specific problems when it comes to work order requests. This is way faster than reporting problems to a hotel manager first and having him forward messages to the maintenance manager or the maintenance supervisor. In addition to communication, scheduling work is an important part of coordination. There are many situations in which a housekeeping and maintenance team can perform their routine tasks at the same time in the same room. And one could adjust maintenance schedule to take advantage of that and maximize the room for availability. And the last part here is that it helps control maintenance costs with maintenance data. Having the right data available is the most straightforward way to close expensive gaps and make cost-efficient improvements. Here's one specific example. Let's say you have an air conditioning unit breaking down unusually often. You can look at how many spare parts you are spending on repairs, so cost of the spare parts, and how many man hours are you spending on the maintenance and repair of the assets, so the cost of the technician, let's say per an hour. And if the breakdown meant that a room was unavailable for a while, which is a potential loss in revenue, then you can have some serious issues. So having all of this data makes it easier to conclude if the asset should be repaired or replaced. And here are some important metrics you can track with a CMMS. You can track inventory costs, labor costs with close attention to paid and overtime costs, and the cost of reactive versus proactive maintenance work, as well as overall maintenance costs, which can be compared by different locations if you run more than one facility, and of course other relevant maintenance KPIs. It is not always easy to pinpoint the root cause of a bloated maintenance budget. Do the assets break down because of cheap replacement parts, because a technician performs poor maintenance work, because customers misuse it, or because of a combination of issues? But when you have a maintenance system that automatically aggregates a lot of maintenance data, finding the culprit becomes much easier. With that said, I hope this video helped you to understand the scope of hotel maintenance and the importance of a well-structured maintenance strategy. Remember that there is no hotel management without hotel maintenance, so it's best to do it right from the beginning. Build a strong proactive maintenance team, implement hotel maintenance management software, and make informed improvements that will increase the quality of maintenance work and reduce overall maintenance costs. If you're interested in learning more about Limble CMS to help you do just that, then you are free to email us. You can also go to our website at limblecmms.com, where you can talk to someone for our team and they'll walk you through a demo of our product. And I'll show you just how it can help you with your hotel maintenance needs. And if you like this video, again, make sure to go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And with that said, very excited to see you implement the strategies that we talked about here today to streamline your hotel maintenance operations.